Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how to can install MovieBox app in your laptop. So if you are using a laptop and you want to download MovieBox app directly, so you can do it. For that, just open your Microsoft Store in your laptop. Once you open your store, it's just like Play Store in your Android mobile. So once you open Microsoft Store, and here is the search option. Just search for MovieBox. Just search it and you will get this app. So just how to install this app. So for that, just click on this install and this MovieBox app will be installed in your laptop. Once it installed, so just will open it and this will be the display in front of you. So this is the display or dashboard of a MovieBox. Here you can search any your favorite drama or movie or any video. Here you can see at the very left side there are multiple choices or categories. So this is the display in MovieBox app. So and this is the way how you can just install quickly in your laptop by just simply go to your Microsoft Store. Thank you for watching.